Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use WhatsApp AI writing help feature in 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your WhatsApp application. Well, there are a couple of ways you can simply go ahead and do so. The best method is going to be opening Meta AI right over here. Write any message that you want. Let me just dictate one. Hi, I am making a video on how to use WhatsApp AI writing help feature. Can you simply go ahead and make this phrase into a more professional one? All right, there you go. I just dictated it and sent it to WhatsApp Meta AI, and here you go. It is just going to go ahead and give me a couple of ways. Hello, I'm creating a video tutorial on how to use WhatsApp AI writing feature. As you can see, welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to, and so on and so forth. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.